Hello, good afternoon all of you. I'm Shekhar Sharma again with you for class 7th Computer Chapter 7 more on CSS. In the previous chapter, you have learned to create, save and view an HTML document in a web browser. You also learned to enhance web pages using the cascading style sheet or CSS. In this chapter, we will explore more on CSS to enhance our skills. Now, properties used in CSS. Number 1, text properties. Number 2, font properties. Number 3, margin properties. And number 4, border properties. Now, number 1, text properties. Text properties are used to format the text of HTML element. There are various properties associated with the text. A. Color. Here the value can be a color name, a hexadecimal color code, or an RGB color code. RGB means red, green, blue. The color name is a predefined name of the color available. Syntax color :value. B. Direction. Here the value can be LDR or RTL. The value LTR renders the text from left to right. The value RTL renders the text from right to left. Syntax direction: value. Text align. The text align property is used to set the horizontal alignment of the text and it is applied to a block of the text. Syntax text align: value. Text decoration. Here the value can be none, underline, overline, blink or line through. Syntax text decoration: value. Text indent. We use text indent property to indent the first line of the text in an HTML element. Syntax text indent: value. Line spacing. Sometimes we need to increase and decrease the blank space between the letters of a word in HTML. For this, we use the letter spacing property. Syntax letter spacing: value. Now, word spacing. It is used to increase or decrease the space between the word of a sentence. Syntax word spacing: value. Line height. This property is used to specify the vertical space between two lines of the text. Syntax line height: value. Text transform. This property is used to specify the capitalization of the text. Syntax text transform: value. Text shadow. This property is used to set the shadow around the text. Syntax text shadow: H shadow, V shadow, color. Now, second property is font property. Font properties are used to change the font type, font size and font style. Now, font family. This property specifies a list of the font name for an element. Syntax for font family: value. Here values are in double quotes. Now, font size. This property is used to set the size of the text. Syntax font size: value. Font style. This property is used to specify the style of the font. Syntax font style: value. Font. All the font properties can be set in one statement using font property. Now the third one, margin property. This property is used to set the margin for an HTML document. Number A, margin bottom. This property is used to set the bottom margin of the element. Syntax margin bottom: value. Now, margin top. This property is used to set the top margin of an element. Syntax margin top: value. Now, margin left. This property is used to set left margin of an element. Syntax margin left colon value. Margin right. This property is used to set the right margin of an element. Syntax margin right colon value. Now margin property. This property is like font property. The margin property specifies the margin for all the four sides, left, right, top and bottom, in a single statement. Now border property. The border properties provide a way to set the border width, border color and border style of an element in HTML. A. Border width. This property is used to set thickness of the border of all four sides. Syntax border width colon value. Border color. This property is used to set the color of the border. Syntax border color colon value. Now border style. This property is used to set the style of the border. Syntax border style colon value. Now border. The border property is used to set the border properties in a single statement. Thank you. Have a nice day.